Where did the tradition of Sean-Nós singing originate? If you're curious about the roots of Sean-Nós singing, you're about to uncover a rich and fascinating history. Let's explore where this unique tradition came from. Sean-Nós singing, which means old style in Irish, is a form of traditional Irish vocal music that has been around for centuries. While the exact origins are shrouded in mystery, there are several theories and historical clues that can help us understand its beginnings. One of the earliest possible connections dates back to the time of the Celtic arrival in Ireland, around 500 BC. However, tangible historical evidence to support this is lacking. Experts suggest that Sean-Nós singing might have existed in a similar form as early as the 13th century, with many of the songs performed today tracing their roots back to the 16th century. The term Sean-Nós itself is relatively recent, coined in the early 1940s during the Gaelic revival at the Gaelic League Oireachtas. This was an effort to distinguish this traditional singing style from other, less authentic forms of music. Historically, Sean-Nós singing was deeply embedded in community gatherings, such as shaley houses, dances, wakes, and weddings. These intimate settings allowed the music to thrive, with singers often performing in quiet, attentive environments where the audience could fully appreciate the emotional depth of the songs. The style is characterized by its unique melodic phrases, rich ornamentation, and rhythmic liberty. These elements, along with the use of the Irish language, set Sean-Nós apart from other forms of traditional music. The singer's ability to convey emotions through their voices, often with a nasal tone known as nea, adds to the distinctive sound. There are also theories about possible influences from other regions, such as the Middle East, Mediterranean, and even Spain. Similarities have been noted between Sean-Nós and musical styles like Bedouin music, Spanish cante jondo, and the sacred music of the Oriental Orthodox churches of Ethiopia and Eritrea. These connections suggest a broader cultural exchange, although the exact pathways are still speculative. In summary, while the precise origin of Sean-Nós singing remains unclear, it is evident that this tradition has deep roots in Irish history, dating back at least 7 centuries. It has evolved over time, influenced by various cultural exchanges, and continues to be cherished for its emotional and cultural significance.